Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode we're going to be working on the manifold and just cleaning up the engine bay still. I did come across an issue and we have to helicoil the head, which is not good. Alright guys, just taped up the turbo, so we shot it with some of the wrinkle black that I've got left over, and I'll hit it with the heat gun to wrinkle it up. Alright, we've done the touch up on the turbo. Looks a bit better. Right, we'll get this intercooler pipe off, get the manifold off, got to get these TGVs off so we can drill, tap and helicoil this bolt down here, this thread. Alright, we've got the TGV off with the Philonic spacer. So this bolt hole here we need to drill out and tap and helicoil. So I'm going to have to put something down into this intake so nothing drops in. Alright, just got the rag there, and once I'm done with that I'll get the air compressor, blow everything out, and then I'll pull the rag away. So it's an M8. We have the kit over here. So there's the bolt that would go in it. So we need to drill it out, tap it, and put the thread in. Alright, so we're going to make it a little bit bigger, so then we can tap it and put the helicoil in. Okay. Make sure that we're pretty. I need to put you down. Let's see if you can sit up here. That's good. That's not good. I'm going to get the vacuum and suck them out. Alright, I'll get the bolt. This. Yep. Gone down far enough. Now to tap it. Oh no, can't do it that way. Alright, so I'm actually just using the drill. Now we get the helicoil tool. Go. Thread it in. Go. Cool. Then we get the punch. So what the punch does is just breaks off that tab. Vacuum that out again. Alright, helicoil in. Let's get it all back together. Yeah, looking good. the original heads that I ported out. That's not good. You see that? What, that's water, oil, fuel? I think it might be fuel. Yeah, it'd be fuel when I took the fuel off. Alright, we've got the TGV back on, all bolted down nice and tight, so we should be good. Alright, let's we'll get the intake back on, get it all bolted down, everything hooked up, ready to go. Alright, let's get these bolts tightened. Yep. Cool, they're all going in so far. Looking good. Yeah, boy. Right, I'll get the brake booster vacuum on. Alright, now we've got a whole bunch of vacuum lines we need to sort out. Right, got the TPS connected. Yeah, we'll see how we go when it runs. Let's make this look better again. Down low. Into here again. Bracket. Let's get this one on. Well, that's good. AC sitting there. Now I just need to sort out the vacuum lines. Ooh, makes it a bit hard. Alright, we've got everything connected back up, all hose clamps tight. We just need to make a bracket for the flex fuel, and we'll put some V-band clamps under the car. So we'll do the V-bands first because that's the hardest. Just jack up the car. We'll take that V-band down there off and the one at the mid pipe, and we'll replace them. And then we'll sort out how we're going to do a bracket here. We do have 2 threads down here that we can work off. A little platform. Maybe I could just bend that piece. I don't know. I'll sort something out, but we'll jack it up first. Alright, jacked up, 2 jack stands. Jack. Shouldn't be too long. Just got to swap over the V-band clamps. Okay, we've got the mid-pipe V-band clamp on, and we've got this V-band clamp on. So the quick release. Alright, we have made the bracket for the flex fuel, so it's sitting alright. We'll make it better down the track, but for now, that's good. So V-bands are on, so let's start her up, see if she sounds any better. So, still got it jacked up so we can inspect underneath. Alright, let's see if she starts up. It's been a while. $369. And that fuel in the header, in the head. Shit. We got a fuel leak. That's a lot. What did I forget? Shh. Oh my god, did I forget to tighten that up? That could have been bad. Alright, let's check over here. That's all dry there. I'm gonna have to. Alright. What have I changed? That one. Alright, I've got to show you. I'll just key it on. I'm gonna have like a fountain. It's the biggest fuel leak I've ever seen. Right, got to get this off again. Just gonna make it a lot easier. Oh, it's only finger tight. Alright, let's see how loose it was. Right, I'll key it on again. That's better. Yeah, so it starts. So there's a lot of fuel on the ground. So perhaps not the best idea to start her up tonight because this is all soaked. So that's going to be it for this episode. Next episode, we'll get it out and maybe go for a little drive. Clean up in here because it's a mess. Thanks for watching.